Well, here I am. Welcome. Hi, my name's Sab Dohal and welcome to this video and my channel. If this is the first time we've met, it's good to see you here. So here I am on the south coast of Wellington. You can take a look around me. This is Breaker Bay and I'm about to head out to Point Dorset at the end of that little line of rocks just there, and then I'm going to climb up that ridge there, which is where there is an excellent lookout point, and I can show you the First World War bunkers that are out there as well, when New Zealand was expecting Russia to attack at any time imminently. So let's go.
I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place.
Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed this little trip around Point Dorset. Hey, yeah, that's me down here. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm recording on my Rode mic connected to my phone and just trying to sync this after. So let me know how you think that's worked out. Yeah, so here I am, Point Dorset. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more of the same. I'm going to head up the hill and have a look at the First World War gun encampments and take a view up there as well. So if you see the next video, you'll see what I've got up to today. Hey, thanks very much again and see ya.